Setting up your SafeLink phone starts with activating your SIM or eSIM. For physical SIM cards, insert it into your phone and activate through the SafeLink app, website, or customer service. For eSIM, scan the QR code found in your phone's settings for digital activation. You'll need to verify your eligibility with proof of income or benefits. Remember, Lifeline participants get a one-time activation fee waiver. If activating via the app, ensure location services are enabled, as this is critical for confirming you are in an eligible location. After activation is complete, you should receive a confirmation text message. Next, configure your access point name to connect to the internet. APN settings vary by carrier. For Verizon, use VZWinternet. For T-Mobile, use fast.tmobile.com. Find these settings in your phone's network settings under Mobile Network. Input the values accurately, with no spaces at the beginning or end, as this prevents data connectivity. Finally, perform a first call test. Dial *228 for Verizon or call SafeLink support at 1-800-542-7562. This confirms service, signal strength, and functionality, resolving any setup issues and ensuring your phone is registered on the network.